Hey everyone, today I wanted to share with you one of my favourite hot tools. So this is the HTZ and it is a root volume crimper. So let me show you all the features and benefits to it. So first thing you're going to notice that it is curved, it's not straight. So, and if you know me well, you know I love a curved comb, so this just made total sense. The shape of it is the shape of the head. The tip of it is there so that we can actually take our sections as well. So as you close that, you actually be able to take your sections with this tip. Over here, you've got your temperature control. So if I'm working on virgin hair or anything other than high lift hair, I will actually put it on the hottest temperature. So, but you can take that up and down as you see fit. The other little dial that they have is here. And this little baby here is what opens and closes the actual iron. Now, what is really unique about this is to make this a fast, easy way to actually be able to crimp those roots. You'll actually be able to take the dial and make it the thickness as you actually want that section, and I'll show you how that works in a moment. You'll notice that the plate has a really good crimper in there as well. So basically it is a basic crimping plate with more of a shape to it. You've actually got this little dial that brings it in and creates the size of your section. So if I've got really fine hair, I'll take it in quite small. But for the hair that I've got, it's probably a medium density. So I'll take it to probably around about 1/2 centimetre. I'm going to close it over. And if I want to make sure that I've got a little bit more oomph at this crown area, all I'm going to do is keep the iron closed, bring it through, and that will take my parting. And then I don't have to do anything else other than be able to go in and crimp that root area. To take my next section, I literally just go in and crimp. So we don't need any sectioning. You don't need anything like that at all. So I can just come all the way through and add in that nice root volume. So you can already see the difference is huge. Rather than teasing, it really does make a big difference. And if you do want to go ahead and actually tease on top of it, it makes it really nice and soft. So that is how you get some really good root volume in there. Let me show you another little trick to use with the HTZ. With the HTZ, it actually gives you a really good textured curl. So let me show you how. I'm just going to bring it into, it's probably about 1/2 centimetre, and I'll just pick up my little section. And I'm going to pretend it is a straightening iron. That's all it is just work it as a straightening iron, bring it through, and just gently drag it down through the HTZ. And can you see this little curl? It's got a little bit of a crinkle in here, which gives me that gorgeous little texture. And I think it is fantastic. We've been using that quite a lot. The other little hot tip that you can do with the HTZ is just with that little tip. Let's say I just want to give that a little bit of lift in here, is I can just come in really gently from underneath. And especially if you've got somebody with quite fine hair, or you want to lift a fringe just from underneath there, is you just go through and just tailor little bits and pieces. The shape of the iron really allows you to tailor as much as you like. So this is an absolute must in my kit, and I think you are going to love it too.